a little bit, and I want to make sure that you're submitting an extension. I noticed that you turned in some assignments today, but what you first need to do, and maybe you've done it and Mrs. Craig hasn't seen it yet, but you need to file an extension and you need to tell her which 3 units you're going to work on. And so if we look in the grade book, there's so many places where you have where you have X's, right? And unit 2, even though you had some things not done, I was trying to get you, keep you moving, and I put in B-level mastery for unit 2. As we start to look at unit 3, most of it's done. You do need to fix this concept map here. You also need to fix your video of your notes. Let's just double check this. Maybe you submitted it and I didn't see it. Let's just... All right, so you can see that this is empty, right? So there's nothing loaded here, and you need to use your Microsoft OneDrive when you want to load videos. So if we look at someone else, you can see he's using a Google Drive, but I can click on it. Here is a link to the OneDrive. So if you save it to your OneDrive, you can share your video. So I need to see the video of your notebook number 3. And just in general, if you go, my grade book on my desktop here looks a little bit different than yours. But if you go to your grade book, you can start to see things that I've given you comments and you just haven't used those comments to fix. So let's keep going where we were on unit 3. So make sure that you fix this concept map, make sure you fix your video of notes, and then let me double check if anything, what did I put here? It's been a while because you're working really inconsistently, so it makes it hard for me to remember what's going on. So let's see. So I even I made you a video before of what you need to fix for this unit. So I even tried. So I guess go back and watch that video. And then let's look back here. Let's check, so the unit, you just did the progress check, College Board Progress Check 3, which is QSI units 4 and 5. So right now, sorry, I'll go back right now, you don't have a grade for unit 3. So that's 1 unit you need to put in for your extension. And then we can work on finishing units 4 and 5. So here's an assignment that has an X. When you click on it, it's going to tell you. Everything else is looking okay. Then here, this one needs to be fixed. This one needs to be fixed. This one needs to be fixed. Baby Lab needs to be fixed. All right, and you just turn this in, and I will wait till I see the extension form filled out. And basically what you're asking to finish are units 3, 4, and 5, and you'll have half of a credit. And then next, I don't know if you're secondary 3 or 4 because I don't have it up right now, but if you're secondary 4, then you have half of a credit and you're done. But either way, in the extension period, students are allowed to finish 3 units. So your units will be 3, 4, and 5. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you very much.